Hello, my name is Matt Schneider, and today I'm going to talk to you about our product Acumen. Acumen has been developed now for over 5 years and represents a significant breakthrough in how organisations can look at data and move data forward to make the best decisions. The challenge that people have around the world today is we are inundated with data. So how can you take an organisation's data, bring it all together, analyse that data and make that best decision? And that's ultimately the problem that we've been able to solve with Acumen. To the best of our knowledge, we are the only company in the world capable of doing this. And we're leveraging a lot of the technology from artificial intelligence, big data, data science. What's interesting is we can actually do this now without people being involved. Traditionally, most organisations will have teams of people working and analysing the data to make a decision. But our challenge, which we set to ourselves, was could we actually do it better? And could we actually use the technology that exists today and what we can develop to actually make that whole workflow and that process a lot more simpler? And that is ultimately what we've solved within Acumen. So very quickly, what is Acumen? Acumen enables us to read data, clean that data using artificial intelligence, analyse that data, and then enable people to look at those results and visualise it, ultimately creating a storyboard to talk about what's going on in their organisation. But what's more importantly, we can also bring in other types of data, and that data may be in the web, online, government, public or private, and bring it all together in order to make the best decision. And that's what Acumen can do today. So, where's Acumen being applied? Acumen's been applied in the finance industry. We've been able to create online tradable models that look at macroeconomic effects, as well as being able to make predictions of what the future may look like. We've also been able to work within the health industry in order to optimise how hospitals use and treat patients, how doctors make decisions, how people can be helped. But more importantly, what we're able to do in the health industry is actually streamline the resources and make sure that people are being treated in the most effective way for what their condition is. For example, we're working with leading burn specialists in Perth to understand how not only is the patient affected by a burn, but also the family. Because we can bring all of this data together using wearable technology, we can actually analyse that and allow the doctors to make the best decision. In the context of energy and water, we can actually analyse water, weather patterns, and all of the other types of information to ensure that water, is a very scarce commodity, is being utilised in the most effective and best way. In other locations, we're actually able to model energy profiles. How much power does a town need? How much power does a country need? All of these things can now be solved using Acumen, and it's the only product in the world capable of doing that. And finally, from the perspective of agriculture and food security, we're able to look at paddock to plate and analyse how all of these different systems work together to ensure that the product that's produced from a farm can arrive safely to the end users. And this represents a significant breakthrough in how we can use technology combined with the Internet of Things plus big data to actually help society to be able to make the best use of its scarce resources. So Acumen's now been available for 2 years. We're very excited to be part of these awards, and we look forward to seeing how we go. Thank you.